So we're gonna be shopping online at the comfort of our home, and we're gonna be selling name brand items like this one and selling it on Amazon FBA. Popular items like Nike, Lululemon, Adidas, Chanel makeups, and so much more are in demand in Amazon, and there's so many people shopping online with their Prime accounts. So the name of this business is actually called Online Arbitrage, and I've actually sold over $1 million last year doing this exact method. So here's how it works. First, we're gonna use Amazon FBA as our platform. 3 reasons. The first one is they have so many customers and they average about $1.29 billion in sales every day. And that's with a B, billions. Second is the power of Prime, which is gonna deliver products to customers in 2 days and is trusted by everyone. And the best part is that Amazon takes care of everything. Once you provide the products to them, they're gonna do the prepping, shipping, packing, the whole 9 yards. Second step is going to these different online retailers, and we're gonna be looking for deals or items on discounts. So remember, buy low, sell high. We're gonna go to Walmart, Nike, Kohl's, Adidas, Target, all these big retailers because they're constantly doing sales each month, 20%, 30%, and sometimes even up to 50%. So this is where we can find products on discount and sell them on Amazon for more. You might be asking who's paying for all these products for more. Again, I've sold over $1 million last year doing this, and people pay for one thing, and that is convenience. So the third step is once you find the products that we can buy low and sell high on Amazon, we're gonna get it shipped to our house. And once you receive these products, all you have to do next is label them, and Amazon actually provides all these labels that goes on the product themselves. The next step is key because remember, this is an online business and we're doing it at the comfort of our home. So the next step is we're gonna have UPS come pick up our products in boxes so they can send it to Amazon warehouse. But once UPS picks up your product, it's basically gonna go to different Amazon warehouses. And this is where your products get stored until someone purchases it. And it usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks before your items gets checked in and live for someone to purchase at Amazon.com. And the best part is that Amazon does everything. They do get a small cut from their fees, but again, they do the prepping, the shipping directly to your customers, and you don't have to do any of that. So forget what you've heard about ordering from Alibaba.com or cheap products from China. Those orders can take up to months, and it's just a headache. It's like opening up a can of worms. You're also not cold calling random people or businesses for your marketing agency, or sending random messages to Instagram to different people and end up spamming them. Also, there's no advertisements needed because remember, these products that we're sourcing are name brand items that people are already looking for. Your sole job is to find profitable products that you can buy for cheap at a discounted rate or on sale, like Nike, Lululemon, Adidas, any name brand products that's available on Amazon.com, you can certainly sell them. And this is a small investment that you don't have to commit long term. If you want to try it out, you can certainly get results in sales within 30 days. This is perfect for a side hustle, and this is actually how we got started before going full-time 8 months later. So if you want to see sales and proof of concept within 30 days, this is a rough timeline. You buy the products today, give it 2 to 3 days to arrive at your house, get it ready, put labels in it, and have UPS pick it up. After UPS picks it up, give it 2 to 3 days, it goes to Amazon warehouse, then usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks for everything to get checked in. Then just to be safe, give it 2 weeks for someone to purchase your product after it goes live for Amazon.com. And that's a rough 30 days, if not just a little bit more. I know so many people that are selling makeup and beauty products on the side after their full-time job, and you can certainly do it as well. What you put in is what you get. So depending on your commitment level, you can either try it out or go full in. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from Online Arbitrage, I have some more videos for you to check out. Until next time.